Hi guys.
Hi.
How are you, my brother? Gakusha. Veronica, how are you? Senator Nyamu, everybody? Senator Matata.
Your Excellency, President of the Republic of Kenya, Your Excellency, Deputy President, and our invited guests, I want to welcome you to one of our conference rooms in the Bunge Tower. And you can see it is fully equipped. The systems are working very well. We have the state-of-the-art. You can see we have the screens, and inside there we have the handset, and that tells you that everything that happens here will be recorded properly. And up there we have the gallery, or the witness box. Okay. It's right there, and right now we have the JLAC committee meeting going on, where we have the chairman and
it's a joint chair.
The joint, yes,
Joint meeting.
JLAC meeting of both the Senate and the National Assembly. In this building, we have 26 conference rooms.
Such? Same
Yes,
size?
same size. Some are bigger than this, and 10 are assigned to the Senate and 16 to the National Assembly. And we know that we normally get visitors from Francophone countries, and we are hoping and praying that with your support and with finances, we will be able to install equipment that will be able to do translation. And now that we have the chair of the JLAC, I want just to give him 1 minute to tell us how this committee meeting is.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency. We will demonstrate how the committees work. After we do the parliamentary prayer, we introduce ourselves very quickly. And I start by introducing myself, George Gitonga Murugara, Member of Parliament for Tharaka Constituency. I'm the Chairperson of the Justice and Legal Affairs Committee in the National Assembly.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency. I'm Hilary Sigay, the Senator for Bomet County and the Chairperson, Justice, Legal Affairs and Human Rights in the Senate.
Thank you, Your Excellency. My name is John Kabushia, Member of Parliament from Green Constituency and Member of JLAC National Assembly.
Thank you, Your Excellency. Farah Mali, a member for the Dab constituency and a member of the JLAC National Assembly.
Thank you, Your Excellency. My name is Senator Karen Njeri Nyamu. I'm a nominated senator from the UDA party and a member of this committee.
Good morning, Your Excellency. My name is Okiya Omtatah, the Senator of the Republic of Kenya from Busia and a member of the JLAC committee.
Good morning, Your Excellency. Good morning, Deputy President. Welcome to Parliament. This is the Joint JLAC Committee. My name is Senator Veronica Maina, nominated Senator UDA. The current mandate of the Joint JLAC Committee is to discuss the NADCO report, and we will soon be chatting out the bills that will support the NADCO report. Thank you, Your Excellency. Karibu sana.
Thank you.
Good morning, Your Excellency. Good morning, Your Excellency, Deputy President. I'm Fatuma Dulo, Senator Isiolo, a member of JLAC Committee of the Senate. Thank you.